How to add text to video in Davinci Resolve. Open the Effects panel, and under Toolbox under Titles, drag a text into the timeline. Now select your text, go to Inspector panel, and under Title tab. Here type the text you want. You can change the font family. Click on this button to change the color of the text. You can increase or decrease the size of the text, the space between characters, and the space between lines. You can have an underlined strike-through text. You can change the casing of the text to be all lowercase or uppercase. You can change the alignment to be left to right, center, or right to left. You also can change the position, zoom, and rotate the text. You also can position the text in the viewer. You can add a stroke with your desired color around the text. You also can add shadow to text, change the offset and color, and blur to your liking. You can add a background to it as well. Increase the height, and change the width and other properties based on your needs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.